Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Sign up for QuickBooks Online and choose a plan that fits your business size and revenue. Create your company profile with legal name, EIN, fiscal year starting month, and business address to match tax filings. Connect your primary bank account and credit card using BankFeed to import 90 days of transactions, then categorize recurring charges. Set your fiscal year, accounting method, and tax settings before importing data. Finally, invite users and assign roles so your bookkeeper has access while limiting admin permissions. Customize your chart of accounts and delete unused accounts to reflect industry-specific categories using income, expense, asset, liability, and equity groupings. Add customer and vendor records with contact info, payment terms, tax-exempt status, and default products or services. Map historical transactions using CSV import or one-time bank upload for up to 24 months, matching dates, amounts, and accounts. Enable invoice templates, set payment terms, and add late fee rules. Then send a test invoice to confirm. Set payroll, enter employees, and choose direct deposit with a /bin/sh. $49 per transaction example fee, then verify federal and state tax ID and deposit schedules. Configure sales tax, set up tax agencies, and enable Form 1099 tracking for 00 thresholds so vendors receive proper year-end forms. Automate recurring bills and merchant payments to reduce manual entries. Run monthly reconciliations and use profit and loss and balance sheet reports to review margins, track cash, and prepare quarterly estimated tax payments based on reported net income.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.